One countryman wey dey go by the name Omoyele Sowore, he na former presidential candidate of African Action Congress wey be AAC. He don dey yarn dey give the general public say country people no need to wait till the first day of October for this year 2024 to do protest. He said this current administration of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, e dey hurt the general public. So therefore, country people can revolt, country people can para, country people can rebel at any time wey dem want. Oga Omoyele Sowore dey yarn this one for im official social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we know as X. So like this now, my good people, the former presidential candidate of African Action Congress wey be Omoyele Sowore, he don dey call for a second leg of the End Bad Governance in Nigeria protest on the first day of October for this year 2024. And this second half, the second lapse of the protest, so they don already tag am fearless in October. No be small matter, my good people. You know say the protest na a platform for country people to vent out their frustrations. This na opportunity for them now to talk about the things and things wey dey pepper them and how e dey pepper them reach against the federal government based on the prevailing economic situation for inside we country Nigeria. And based on say the last 10-day protest wey dem do for inside we country Nigeria, e no bear fruit. Even as dem do the protest finish, even as the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria come address country people, the country people no dey satisfied because things still choke for inside we country Nigeria. And instead of the federal government to address the issue, they can't even arrest some of the protesters. That na why country people dey arrange to do another protest for the month of October, and this time around they don tag am fearless in October. No be small matter, my good people. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. On to the next information I wan share give the general public. The koko be say the minority caucus of the House of Representatives, they don dey call for the immediate reversal of the recent increase in price of petrol. They say this new development, without a doubt, e go double the suffering, e go double the kasala wey country people dey face already for inside we country Nigeria. The caucus now dey yarn this one for inside one statement wey dem drop on Thursday. And for inside the statement, they talk plenty things, my good people. They say this action, so this development of increasing the price of premium motor spirit to be fuel, it dey disregard the principles of transparency, accountability and fairness. And normally na these three na be the recipe. With these three, and dem use to dey guide decisions wey dey affect the lives of the country people. Then still on the statement by the minority leader wey be Kingsley Chinda, he say they gats reverse petrol prices now. But dem ask the president to immediately put in place urgent measures to address the connection between dire economic conditions and social unrest, rather than to create conditions wey go come increase the already hardship, the already dire economic conditions. The president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria supposed to dey do the things and things wey go reduce the hardship wey country people dey face. No be for him to dey do the things wey go come make the hardship, wey go come make the shege wey country people dey see on a daily basis come dey take gear 5, come dey increase, dey go forward. That kind of levels normally e no make sense. So for inside the statement, Oga Chinda Kingsley, he come say the yarn say at a time wey be say the nation now dey suffer with unprecedented economic challenges, no be lie, including rising inflation plus unemployment and the depreciating value of the naira. Say any further increase in the price of petrol, it go only increase the suffering of the average country people. And the effect of this increment now we don plaster on top fuel prices, e massive, no be small. The thing go impact the cost of transportation, it go impact food, and it go impact other essential goods and services. And when all these levels now come dey affected, it go ultimately bring sorrow and tears come the faces of country people, and it go push more families into poverty. The minority caucus is deeply concerned that this decision by the NNPC, it dey appear to have been made without adequate consultation. They no think am properly, they no discuss am well with relevant stakeholders, including the National Assembly, wey dey represent the interest of the people. And this action wey NNPC dey take, so e dey disregard the principles of transparency, accountability and fairness. and this normally is supposed to dey guide the decisions wey dey affect the lives of the general public. And this current economic hardship wey country people dey face so, it is very much characterized by rising unemployment, soaring inflation and widening inequality. This now don place strong pressure on the livelihoods of the general public, and because of the continuous hardship wey country people dey face now, e don trigger a widespread protest for inside the country. Now country people don dey demand for relief. They don dey demand for accountability from those people now wey dey in power. And you see this chaos now, this unrest wey don dey come outside from the country, na strong reminder say economic instability dey sharp escalate into broader social and political instability. Na why e dey very much crucial for all stakeholders, including the government, plus businesses and civil societies, to work collaboratively, to work together to address these economic challenges and to restore stability. Before the situation now, e go come worse pass as e dey so. Tinubu's government should, as a matter of urgency, address the connection between dire economic conditions and social unrest, rather than to go dey create conditions wey go increase the already dire economic conditions. And if the Tinubu government no do the needful, e go come make army of youths wey no get work for inside the country. They go come return to occupy the streets and unleash violence on the country. This government now must learn from the lessons from the destructive effects of the national protest against bad governance. Wey be say na the economic hardship, na the things wey dey wrong for inside the country na come trigger am. So therefore, they dey call on the federal government to urgently intervene and reverse this unwarranted increase in petrol prices. And they also urge the government to explore and implement more sustainable measures to stabilize the economy without placing an additional burden on the people. This, my good people, na the statement wey the minority caucus of the House of Representatives then drop about the fuel price matter. And if you check am proper, you go see am say wetin this men yarn for this their statement na legit. Now because say NNPC dey owe $6 billion, they go come increase fuel prices so that they go fit meet up. But as they increase fuel price, they say they do good. You no know say e dey create more hardship for we country people. So e go good make they retrace their steps, make they make sure say everything nice, or else things go ugly the more for inside the country Nigeria, and those kind levels na wetin we no want. This, my good people, na the information wey as make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on a legit information on the things wey dey happen for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this news and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, I go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. And they come your side again with another interesting information for you, my good people. I beg, no go anywhere.